Hello friends, this is Arnab. A very good morning to all my friends. Now I am at Middle Pelling at Hotel Namseling and I am experiencing one of the best moments of my life. Sunrise over Mount Kanchenjunga. Nothing can be more beautiful than this sight. The snow white color is gradually taking its golden color. The first rays of sun is falling over the mighty Mount Kanchenjunga. Many calls it Sleeping Buddha because the posture of this mountain is like the sleeping posture of God Buddha, and really this view is uncomparable to anything else in this world. And for me, this is a lifetime experience, once in a lifetime experience. I am visiting North Bengal and Sikkim for the first time. I am at Hotel Namseling at Middle Pelling, a very famous and very nice hotel, and the view from the balcony of this hotel is exactly spectacular. To be honest, I did not expect that I will be able to have this sight so closely. Thanks to my friend Mr. Kusal Ghosh, who guided me for this trip, for the whole trip. It was his plan. We also did Dongmar and many other parts of North Sikkim. But now from Pelling, it's the most beautiful sight I am seeing ever in my life. And I am really very lucky because there is no cloud in the sky, and I would like to show you the Pelling city also. Look at this beautiful city situated. Na re hoyni ekhono. And the city is now sleeping. Nobody has come to these roads, and this is our hotel. This is our hotel room, and this is Mr. Kusal Ghosh. The whole trip is his plan. The all credit goes to him. And just look at this. I would zoom little more so that you can have this spectacular view. Just incredible. Many says that if you visit India, then you are visiting the whole world because everything is here. Sky high mountains, beautiful beaches,
just one word.
Deserts.
This is says.
Okay, Kusal is trying to say something.
मेरा भारत महान.
Yes.
भारत को ही
We love.
एक लाइफ में भारत को ही पूरा देख के खत्म नहीं कर सकते आप.
Yeah.
तो वर्ल्ड क्या घूमना.
It's true. If we can visit the whole of our beautiful country, then our life is really complete. And now Kanchenjunga at its best. Kusal, have you seen Kanchenjunga better than this ever?
Yes.
Have you? From where? But not in this color. In this color, this is best.
Yes.
We got the best view of Kanchenjunga from Mangan. Mangan is at North Sikkim, and when we are coming from Mangan to where? Mangan to Ravangla. On the way to Ravangla from Mangan, We got some spectacular views of Mount Kanchenjunga, but not in this color. Then it was fully silver color, not golden. But now, as the sunrise, the slant rays of sun is getting touching this mountain range, so now it's getting completely golden color. And now I would like to have some stills, so I am finishing this video here. Hope you would love this video. If you love, please react and comment. Thank you everybody. Bye.